Yeah, association with probably you were part of the event also.
Yes, yes, and it's my first association with Audi, and I'm really happy and proud because I think Audi is a brand that I've always loved, and I love their designs, all each and every piece, each and every car. I think they're very very sophisticated and very stylish, very cool. And I think it's one car brand that sort of goes with both genders. You know, I mean, there are certain brands where I see the car and I feel like maybe a woman might not look good driving it. But I think Audi is something that I've always loved. I've loved all the cars, and in fact, I've just bought a Q7, which I'm really excited about, and it's going to come in say a few weeks.
So कृति आप कितना ड्राइव करना पसंद करती हैं फर्स्ट?
मैं पहले बहुत ड्राइव करती थी, तो अगर खाली सड़क या खुली सड़क है तो मुझे बहुत पसंद है ड्राइव करना, बट अदरवाइज ट्रैफिक जैम्स आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, एंड आई प्रिफर देन बीइंग ऑन द बैक सीट, और मे बी इफ़ आई हैव अ गुड कंपनी देन आई लाइक सिटिंग ऑन द साइड सीट, बट आई यूज्ड टू ड्राइव अ लॉट बैक इन दिल्ली.
Do you recall your first ramp walk ever?
My first ramp walk? Yeah, I do. I really messed it up. That's why I remember it very clearly. And it was in Delhi, it was a different kind of a ramp. There was a lawn where we were walking, and it gets very difficult because your heel sort of goes into the ground, and it's not very walk friendly, especially in heels. And that was my first walk, so I really was very very nervous, and I messed up the order, and that choreographer was very rude, and she really sort of blasted me in front of some 15-20 models, I remember, and I've not worked with her post that. And I remember sitting back in auto, and I was feeling so bad, and I started crying in the auto. So yeah, that I can't forget.
But now you feel like family walking the ramp again. I mean, it's like
Yeah. It's like walking in your garden. Probably not your garden. You're not dressed so well always, but it's always nice to walk on the ramp. I think you feel beautiful in the outfits that you're wearing, and you feel like you own the place. And it's so fast that it just gets over. It's a lot of fun actually.
कृति साथ ही जाना चाहिए क्योंकि आपका फर्स्ट एसोसिएशन है Audi A5 के साथ, तो क्या कोई ऐसा बॉलीवुड एक्टर होगा जिसको आप अपने साथ लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे ले जाना चाहेंगे Audi?
यार मैं अपनी फैमिली को एक्चुअली लेके जाना चाहूँगी लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे, लेकिन कंडीशन ये है कि मैं ड्राइव करूँगी किसी अच्छे हाईवे पे, और मेरे डैड मेरे साथ में नहीं बैठेंगे, क्योंकि मुझे याद है मेरे डैड जब भी मेरे साथ में बैठते थे उनको बहुत वो एंक्शियस हो जाते थे कि मैं कहीं पर गाड़ी बैंक कर दूँगी, और सो या आई थिंक आई माइट want to take my family on a long drive, or even my friends for that matter. I think it's always nice, especially अगर मौसम अच्छा हो और वो जो लोनावला वाली ड्राइव है वो हो.
कृति दुबई में थे आप, अभी जाके आए दुबई पर?
जी.
पे बैठे आप?
देखिए आपने सारी पिक्चर्स.
क्या आप ही का आजकल जलवा है पूरे इंडस्ट्री में?
आजकल मैं बहुत घूम रही हूँ ना.
हाँ, घूम भी रही है और छाई भी आप.
थैंक यू इफ यू से सो.
कुछ अनुभव बताइए ना, एलैबोरेट करिए तभी न्यूज़.
मैं एक्चुअली दुबई बहुत बार गई हूँ, लेकिन मैं कभी भी मुझे ऐसा मौका नहीं मिला कि मैं दुबई में घूम सकूँ. मैं यूजुअली काम से जाती थी और फिर एक दिन स्पेंड करके आ जाती थी. इस बार भी मैं काम से गई थी, लेकिन मेरे पेरेंट्स जिन्होंने दुबई नहीं देखा हुआ था, so they wanted to come there, and we had a nice family holiday. We missed my sister who could not come because of some work, and हाँ मैंने सारी वो टूरिस्टी चीज़ें करी हैं. मैं बुर्ज खलीफा पे गई हूँ, मैं डिज़र्ट सफारी में गई हूँ, हालांकि बहुत गर्मी थी, एंड आई रियलाइज कि दिस वाज प्रॉब्ली नॉट द राइट टाइम. लेकिन कैमल राइड आई ऑलवेज लाइक्ड, सो आई हैव डन दैट बिफोर, सो इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन.
अच्छा, आपने अपनी लाइक सिस्टर के बारे में बोला. शी इज आल्सो लाइक कमिंग, लाइक आगाज तो हो गया है, लेकिन परवान और
आगाज हो गया.
परवान कब चढ़ेगा मतलब? और
वेल आई थिंक यू नो हमेशा अपना करियर जो है वो सबकी अपनी एक डेस्टिनी और अपना एक पाथ होता है, एंड आई एम ऑलवेज देयर फॉर हर. बट of course whenever she gets something that really excites her as a person, I think probably then आगाज तब होगा.
परवान चढ़ेगा तो
परवान चढ़ेगा. सॉरी यार, ये वर्ड मुझे पता नहीं.
आप
But definitely if and when she gets something really exciting that excites her as a person, I think every individual has their own choices as per their career, and you should always go with your heart.
आप उनका मार्गदर्शन कर रही हैं, लाइक यू आर
See, whenever she asks me for some advice, of course I'm always there with her. But I think she's also someone who likes to take her own path and her own way and do things that she feels would help her or she enjoys. I think it's very important to enjoy work. So firstly, to realize whether you enjoy it or not, and the process of it is something that she's enjoying right now.
What's the status of the film with Vishal? I mean, is it like we heard that you were in talks with him?
So all the rumors of the films that apparently are doing rounds and all, they're not true. I just want to say I can't say anything beyond that. There is one film which I have said yes to, and I'm just waiting for the producers to announce it formally in a nice way, because I think it's only and only their right to announce it.
दिवाली आ रही है, तो एनी स्पेशल प्लान फॉर दिस ईयर दिवाली के लिए?
मुझे एक्चुअली इस बार दिवाली का अपना नहीं पता है कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. Wherever I will definitely be celebrating, whether in Mumbai or in Delhi. I usually go back to Delhi, but there might be a chance where I might not be able to go back. But Diwali has always been one of my favorite festivals, और दिवाली का जो माहौल है वो बहुत पहले से फील होना शुरू हो जाता है. नवरात्रे आते हैं, दशहरा आता है, दुर्गा पूजा वगैरह होता है. So yeah, I love the festival. It's a festival of lights. It's a festival of a lot of sweets, and you meet a lot of people. You meet your friends, you meet your family people, extended family. So I just love Diwali.
One wish for your friends, Diwali.
Wishing all of you a very, very happy and safe Diwali.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so